Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term Structuralist criticism. Introduction. Structuralist criticism emerged as a prominent literary theory in the 1950s, drawing inspiration from structuralist linguistics pioneered by Ferdinand de Saussure. This approach sought to analyze literature by applying linguistic concepts to reveal the underlying structures and rules governing cultural practices. The early form of structuralism encompassed a wide range of social and cultural phenomena, including mythology, literature, and fashion, all viewed as signifying systems with specific cultural significance. The core idea was to identify the rules and procedures that imbue these practices with meaning within a particular culture. Expanding scope. In literary studies, structuralist critics analyzed literature as a second-order signifying system using language as its medium. They examined various linguistic concepts such as phonemic and morphemic levels, paradigmatic and syntagmatic relationships, and even structures of literary texts resembling syntactic constructs. The primary goal of classic literary structuralism was to uncover the underlying system of literary conventions and rules mastered unconsciously by competent readers that governs the forms and meanings of all literary productions. Literary analysis. Structuralism challenged traditional humanistic criticism in several ways. Firstly, it redefined the notion of a literary work as a text characterized by a play of component elements governed by literary conventions and codes rather than an imitation of reality. Secondly, the individual author's role was downplayed as the text was seen as the product of the workings of the linguistic system. Thirdly, structuralism shifted the central focus in criticism from the individual reader to the impersonal activity of reading, where reading was an engagement with the underlying conventions and codes. Transition to post-structuralism. Over time, structuralism gave way to post-structuralist theories that subverted its scientific claims and emphasized the reader's role in generating meanings through interactions with texts. Roland Barthes exemplified this shift in his writings, moving from early structuralist theory to the notion of writerly texts that encourage multiple interpretations and active reader engagement. Conclusion. Although the radical forms of structuralism declined in prominence, its premises and procedures continue to influence stylistics, semiotics, and formal structural analyses of narratives. Literary critics like Jonathan Culler, Robert Scholes, and others have provided comprehensive surveys and introduction to structuralist literary criticism. While some criticize structuralism for its rigid linguistic determinism, it remains a significant theoretical framework in understanding the structural aspects of literature and cultural phenomena. So this was the discussion on the term structuralist criticism. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.